Okay, so the next step is going to be the starter shingle. So exactly like it sounds, it's the first shingle that we put on. It goes right here at the eaves, again at the gutter lines. It also is going to go up the rakes as well. And you can see it has a tar strip right here that allows the first row of shingles that you actually see to seal to it. But it's also there so when we install that first shingle, so as shingles are put together, where they come together is called the bond line. So where two shingles meet at the bottom, that's called the bond line. And so when you run that first shingle and the next shingle butts up to it, if you didn't have anything underneath of it, the water would just run in that gap. It would run on the ice and water shield and then run out. Now, again, ice and water shield is fully impermeable. However, it is designed for long-term condensation and the few times a year that you're going to get those ice dams. It is not designed to protect this roof deck for 50 years with water going on it every single time that it rains. So if you didn't have that starter, eventually it would rain into, it would leak into that bond line between the shingles, and it would, weather away this ice and water shield, and then it would eventually start leaking along the bottoms of the roof. So it is necessary for the waterproofing, to fully waterproof the bottom edge of the roof, the eaves. But on the rakes, it does two things. One, it allows for more rigidity on the sides, again, where you're most susceptible to wind uplift, wind-driven rain, wind-driven snow. It also provides a super clean cosmetic edge, which is obviously, cosmetics are as important to us as the actual functionality of the roof system. So when you have that shingle there, you look up the edge, and you've never noticed it before, but you will start to notice it now that I've said something. But if you look at the edge of most roofs, you will see it's choppy. It's not a super clean cut line. At SlopePro, everything we do, we want it to be perfect. So you'll notice our rake edges are going to look like a laser cut them. They're going to be super clean. We're very OCD about those details. But that's where the starter goes. So that's our first step in actually installing the roof system.